This is Anthony Woods with International Futures Group in Chicago, a division of EFG Group. Today's date is February the 26th. First, I'd like to give you a little market review and then tell you about some of the trades that I'm looking at. Can you say down, down, down? The dollar's up big today, up over 90. I think that pressured commodities in general. Crude oil actually had an impressive rally but sold off down about 40 as we speak. Gold down $18. Silver also down quite a bit. As far as the meats, they were mixed depending upon which month. Some of the months were down, some were up, but not much one way or the other. Grains, for you grain traders out there, hate to be doom and gloom, but I don't see, unless weather comes into play, I think you pretty much sell rallies in beans, corn and wheat. I'll get into that later, but corn, most of the grains down just slightly today, 1 cent to 2 cents on the day. But some of the trades that I'm looking at right now or I have on at this time, one is, haven't done this yet, market hasn't gone to the price I like, but I like selling beans somewhere between the $9 or $9.15 level. I don't even know if it'll get there, but normally they'll put a premium in the market going into spring. Trying to be patient with it, but I think you sell beans. I don't know if it matters even which month, but it could be July, August, or no, even May really. But I like somewhere between the $9 to the $9.15 level. One trade I did do this week, I bought wheat and I sold corn for several reasons. I heard corn acres were going to be up earlier this week. The USDA came out and confirmed that. They have 2 million more acres. I heard wheat seedings were going to be lower than that happened. Wheat seedings were down over 3 million. So I like being long corn, long wheat. I don't know if the month is important this time. I did May, so I like that trade. I think wheat should continue to gain on corn going forward here. Gold had a breakout move. I have to admit I totally missed that. I kind of sat there and looked at it for a month, and then gold had a breakout move. But all the indicators are pointing higher, so I think you buy breaks in gold, you buy breaks in silver. So far, you get more bang for your buck being long gold than silver at this time. If you've been paying attention to other stuff, I'm still the bull on sugar. Sugar had the biggest rally. I think it's been in 8 years or so. One day this week, up over 100. But I think you buy breaks in sugar. I bought somewhere around the 13 level on the break, but we're up around the 14 level right now, so that's looking pretty good. Cocoa had a big break today. I had been long, but I like buying breaks in cocoa. I just think you pick a point that you're comfortable with, somewhere down around that 27.50 to 27, or 28.50 to 28.25. That level seems to be a good buying level. Two other markets I like. I kind of think crude should have a decent move to the upside. I really don't like just playing the long and short game, so I bull spread it. I bought June. I sold these. So far I'm looking pretty good. I did it at about $4.50, but I think you buy breaks in that spread. And the market I think is kind of a sleeper is copper. I'm reading information that China's buying up more copper than when they were in the boom, when they were in the boom period. So I think if you can get a decent break in the copper market, just pick the levels you're comfortable with. I'd look to get long some copper at this time. That's today's review. Thank you for watching.